Hello and welcome to this video and channel. My name is TJ and I am a full-time digital marketer, and on my channel you can find videos on how to make money online by promoting other people's products and services. Today's topic is very interesting since I'm going to be talking about how you can make money on YouTube by simply just copying and pasting. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel by clicking that subscribe button below and click that notification button so you do not miss out on any important videos in the future. Okay, so let's go back to the topic. In this video, I'll teach you how you can make YouTube channel from scratch and grow it so it can become monetized, so you can make some money. Opening a YouTube channel is very simple. So if you have a Gmail account, then just log into YouTube and you're good to go. So if you wanted to start a YouTube channel before, but you were afraid to show up on camera, or you're just afraid to speak on camera, then this is a video for you. You don't need to show your face or speak. You just need to find some data, copy it, paste it, record your screen, and upload that video on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you what I mean in just a second. So if you search some of the channels that are already on YouTube, then you will see, for example, this channel here, Data Dogo, has over 22,000 subscribers. And look at his videos. This is just a graph video, and this video is over 10 minutes long, and it has more than 1,000 views. And if you see the pop-up ads that's going to show up later, you will see that this channel is monetized and it's making some money. So let's look at another example. This channel right here, Vamamu Stats, it has over 300,000 subscribers. So, and this channel has similar videos like the channel I showed you before. So if you click on any of these videos, you will see, for example, this video is just a graph of showing stats of the current pandemic that is going on in the world, and you'll see that this video was uploaded last week and it has over 100,000 views. Again, some ads will probably pop out, which means that this channel is monetized and it's making money. If we look at the statistic of this channel, so if you go on socialblade.com, you can search whichever channel you want and you will see all the relevant information and statistics for this channel. You can see it has a very good total grade, and this is estimated monthly earnings that this channel is making. So from $1,000 to almost $20,000, which is a lot just for making these type of videos like I showed you before. So for example, you can see by date here what are the estimated earnings for this channel. I mean, even $40 is a lot if you look at it. If you just make one video with the statistics on it and play some music and that's it, you can make this much money. You can search some more. There on YouTube there is another channel, also over 100,000 subscribers, and each of these videos has over 100,000 views. And you can always look at the ratings and statistics and how much this channel is making as well. There's another one, The Rakings, over 300,000 subscribers. And the last one is this one. It's called Data is Beautiful. It has over 1 million subscribers. I think this guy was the first one who started this type of channel, and then everyone else followed along. I think this channel was also featured on Business Insider or Forbes magazine, so you can check that out as well. And this channel is making a lot of money as well. It has a total grade of B+, and this estimated monthly earnings for this channel are $5,000 to $79,000, which is actually a lot of money. So you can do the same type of videos, so no skills necessary, and I'll show you how in a minute. First, you will have to have some type of data. So let's say that you are a big fan of basketball or football or any other sport. These are just examples, so it can be anything. If you go to NBA.com, you will see that they have a special tab just for statistics. So if you click on stats, something will open, and then you will see here that you can look at the players, team, scores, the schedule, the playoffs, and everything. And then you can pick the season, what type of season, is it regular or playoffs. Then you will see a table like this with all the data. And here you can find great info and make it interesting. Nobody likes to look at this at data this way in a table, so we can make it more fun. So you will see that you have data from the 90s or even 80s. From, for example, here it starts in 1996. So, or let's say football. So if you go to NFL.com, also if you click on stats, you will see that you can pick what you want to look at. You can look at passing, rushing, receiving, tumbles, tackles, and then you can pick the year, which year you want to look at and in which years you want to compare. Or tennis, if you go to ATPtour.com, you can look at the statistics as well. For example, I picked this one, so aces, you can look at how many aces were served in each season and which player had the greatest number of aces in a match. Also, you can go back to 1991 to 2020. Once you find what you need, so this can be anything, like I said, from sports to movies, TV shows, or the current stats of this pandemic that is going on. Just Google it and you will find plenty of data. So once you find all of that, now you need to make a graph, just like this guy right here. You would log in to Flourish Studio. Just Google that. It's free to sign up, and this is a free tool, and with this you can make running graph just like I showed you before. So you can make a cool graph just like this one. Once you sign up, once you open an account, you would go to my projects, make a new visualization, and then you would pick a type of graph that you need. It doesn't have to be a running graph like this one before. It can be anything, but for the purpose of this video, let's just say, so you would go to bar chart arrays, then you would pick this bar chart arrays. And see, this is just a sample video, this is just a sample graph, but you would plug in your data right here in the data tab, and then instead of writing Angola, Burundi, or the country name, you would, for example, type in the names of the players, or if you picked something else, then you would John Isner, or I don't know, what on, and then you can play around. So for example, he hit 100 aces, this guy 500, and you would also choose, I don't know, this guy hit 921. You would just change this type of data, delete everything that you do not need, and then you hit preview, and your graph and your statistics are ready. So you can always play around with this. If you go to preview, then you have on the right hand side, you can choose some features, you can change the color, images, and stuff like that. Once you have all that ready, you would just screen record this part right here and save the video and put some music in it and upload it to YouTube. It's that simple. So basically we would get the same graph as this guy right here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comment section if you started your YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Take care.